Hello, this is Winnie Dow, and I want to share this little project that I made for my kitchen. I've been looking for a spice rack for a long time, and I went to World Market and found this iron spice rack. And what I did is that I was using it with my spices, but some of them were too big for that space. So I went to World Market again and bought these little jars. The jars have a stainless steel lid, so that's why I chose these ones. There were other ones with ceramic lids. They looked so colorful and so beautiful, and I love color, but I didn't go for those because the lid closed with some metal. It had like a metal hook or something, and it took a lot of space. So I decided to go with this more slimmer model. So I spent $12.99 on the spice rack. They have it in cream, and this one is like a brownish or reddish metal. Each jar was 99 cents, and then I paid $2 for the shock tags, and it came in a package of 6, so that was $4 more. I love the end result. I was gonna buy one for $40, but it was too bulky and I didn't want to waste any counter space. So I'm very happy with this result. It wasn't as costly as I thought it would be. So if you're looking for a spice rack, there's something you could do. If you have a World Market, or you can also go online and see if you can get it there. I love it. I'm very proud of it. So that's why I'm sharing it with you all. And of course I have the adobo. This is Puerto Rican spice, and it can never be absent from a Puerto Rican kitchen. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.